Hello and welcome to another episode of Thinking and Driving. My name is William Roth with the Wildfire Companion at thewildfirecompanion.com, and I'm driving right now from Lander, Wyoming to Denver, Colorado, and I wanted to talk just for a few minutes about an idea I was thinking about for videos, viral or guerrilla videos for the National Outdoor Leadership School that touch on the leadership curriculum that we teach, and mostly just mention the skills. One of them is the videos are about when technology fails and all you are left with are your null skills. I was listening to an NPR Science Friday piece where they were just about to talk about solar flares taking out the power grid for months at a time. And that got me thinking that we could have a video where somebody's cutting vegetables in their kitchen at night when all of a sudden the power goes out. Immediately, the person turns on their headlamp and maybe gets out a map or something, I don't know. And it says, "Tolerance for adversity and uncertainty, National Outdoor Leadership School. Do it." And then another video would be a bunch of people huddled around. They're all dirty, and they're in suits, but the suits are torn and ragged. And somebody's standing on a soapbox and says, "We need someone to go out there and make sure the zombies aren't out there." And somebody steps forward and says, "I'll do it." And it's his leader. And then somebody else says, "I'll go with him." And it says, "Active followership, another skill you'll learn at the National Outdoor Leadership School." And things like that. Anyway, I'm going to think about more of them. This is also just a way for me to remind myself to talk to Senior Kyle Duba and Hench Media about this idea to help me film it. And this is William Roth signing off.